I, K. Prasad, was suffering from hair loss for the last 10 years. But in the last couple of years, my baldness was apparent and it was not looking good. And for you too, I came to know about Neuro Clinic. 2nd April 2023, I undergo hair transplant at Neuroots, and as for me and as for the staff here, that my looks had already changed on that day itself. And in the last 10 months, a holistic change has been noticed in my personality as well in my looks. I totally recommend that whoever is suffering from hair loss can visit this clinic. And the staff as well as the doctors are very cordial, and the motto of this clinic is change the looks. They will definitely change you and your personality. In the first instance, they did not recognize me, but after that, when I said that I'm K. Prasad, they said that your personality has been totally changed. Thank you, Neuroots.